Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the UK100. We'll look at it on a longer term basis and we'll see how to trade it. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also know that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, the UK100, which is FXCM's proxy for the FTSE 100, is in a markup phase. This is due to the cyclical nature of the constituents that make up the index. 2021 is likely to benefit from the low base effect, vaccination and recovery, and this will benefit cyclical instruments in general. Let's take a look at the chart, and we have the weekly chart of the UK100, and I'm just going to put in some peaks and troughs, and we'll put in a reference trough, we'll put in a reference peak right over here. Here's our higher trough, and once we've got the higher trough followed by a higher peak, there's the uptrend or the markup phase. What we can do is we can even draw in a channel to track it. Take a look at the RSI. RSI is above 50. As long as the weekly chart stays above 50, there would be an underlying general positive momentum. Let's just go down to the daily chart. This is the Ishimoku. Just want to put in some line studies here. The orange lagging line is above price. Price is traveling parallel to the lagging line. This is indicative of an upwards momentum. Take a look at the price relative to the black baseline. It's above it, and that baseline is trending up. And finally, the forward cloud is moving in a northeasterly direction, and it's expanding and is indicative of that positive momentum that we are talking about. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. The UK100 is trending up. Pullbacks will be compelling and they will likely attract bids. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, please click on that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Really appreciate it and look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.